so excited for us to be together again. I want to show you our schedule. Our schedule says first, we're going to do a check-in on the mood meter. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how I'm feeling. Second, we're going to do our science song with the actions. We're going to be talking about solids, liquids, and gases. And the third thing is we're going to do an experiment. We're going to be thinking about the ingredients and whether they are solids, liquids, or gases. And we are going to be answering the question, how do you make slime? Okay, so the first thing says, do a check-in on the mood meter. I'm going to tell you, I am feeling in the green right now. I'm pretty excited to make slime. Last night, I tried it out. I wanted to make sure that I knew how to do this before I did a video. And I had a lot of fun playing with the slime afterwards, so I'm pretty excited that I'm going to get to play with some slime again today. This is an opportunity for you to do a check-in with your body. How are you feeling right now? Are you in the red? Are you in the blue? Are you in the yellow? Or are you in the green? If you're in the red or the blue, what can you do to get your body back to the green or the yellow? Okay, let's check in with what's next on our schedule. The next thing on our schedule is to sing our science song. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this. This is one of my favorite parts. Okay, get it ready.
Stand up, get ready to move. Move like a state of matter. Right to the groove. Then think and say, what state of matter it is. Solid, liquid, gas. Move your arms and hands like a waterfall. A waterfall is a
liquid.
Stand up straight like a flagpole. A flagpole is a
solid.
Wiggle your fingers up like water vapor. Water vapor is a
gas.
Roll your arms around like a wheel. A wheel is a
solid.
Let's have more fun and move. Breathe in deep and blow out air. Air is a
gas.
Push piles of dirt like a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a
solid.
Surf and ride the waves in the ocean. The ocean is a
liquid.
Chug chug choo choo like a train. A train is a
solid.
Look all around every day. Observe and think. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Is it a
solid,
a
liquid,
or a
gas? Okay, preschoolers, we did our science song. So the next thing on our schedule is to be answering our question, which is, how do you make slime? And I want you to be thinking about if the ingredients are solids, liquids, and gases. Maybe be thinking about what's going to happen when we put them together. I want to introduce you to what our ingredients are today. So first, you guys can get your magnifying glasses out because you can make some observations with these magnifying glasses that we got in our learning kits. And then I'm going to show you. I have lots of different ingredients over here. Okay, I have glue. I'm going to be using some glue today. I have shaving cream. I have some food coloring. I have some baking soda. I have some water, and I have something called borax, and I'm going to be making a borax solution and mixing it together. You can also use contact solution, which some people might use for contact lenses. That also works. And now that you know what our ingredients are, I'm going to show you our schedule for making slime. So the first thing on our schedule is to make a prediction. I think that when we put glue and water together, it's going to stay a liquid. That is my prediction. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, I'm going to show you our schedule of what we're going to do. I'm going to get a bowl. I'm going to put 2/3 of a cup of glue in. I'm going to put some baking soda in. I'm going to put some food coloring in. Then I am going to put some water in, and then some shaving cream, and then some borax. And then I'm going to mix it all together. And then I am going to be talking about whether it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Okay, so I'm going to look, and it says the first thing I need to do is get a bowl. So I got my bowl right here. And the next thing it says put 2/3 cup glue in bowl. So I'm going to get, I have a measuring cup right here, and it says 2/3, which is right about right here. So I'm going to get my glue out and put 2/3 of a cup in here. And now I am going to pour this in to our bowl. Got my all right, and I'm going to look on the schedule, and it says next 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. So I'm going to get my teaspoon out, which is this one, and I'm going to get my baking soda and I'm put it in. All right, I'm going to show you what this looks like. Right now, it's still a liquid. It's still a liquid. I wonder what's going to happen when we keep putting different ingredients in. Okay, so we put glue in, we put baking soda in. Next, it says get food coloring. So I have some red and some blue food coloring. So I'm going to put these together and at the same time. So I'm going to put some red in first. Zoop. And then I'm going to put some blue in. Zoop. You might be thinking about what color is going to happen when I put red and blue together. Could be making a prediction. So right now, it's red and blue. I'm going to stir it together. Stir, stir, stir. Mix it, mix it, mix it. What color did it turn? That's right, it's purple. Okay, so next on our schedule, it says 1/4 cup water. So I have some water over here, and I'm going to look on my measuring cup where 1/4 cup is. I'm going to pour it to that marker, and now I'm going to pour it in. Zoop, just like so. Okay, and now I'm going to stir it some more. I'm noticing that when I'm stirring it, it's still a liquid. It's purple, and it's still a liquid. I wonder what's going to happen. So I'm going to stir it a little more. Look at my schedule, and it says put 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. So I got my shaving cream out, and I am going to measure it out. So I'm going to look and see where 1 cup is. I'm going to push down. Okay, so I've gotten all the shaving cream into our bowl. I'm going to mix it a little bit, and the shaving cream is a solid after, and it's kind of dissolving into the glue in the water. I wonder what's going to happen. Looks like the water and the glue is still a liquid, and the shaving cream is kind of dissolving, so it's becoming liquid with the water and the glue. I wonder what's going to happen next. So next, I'm going to make a borax solution. So I am going to use one spoonful of borax in our cup of water, and I'm going to stir it. And another word for mixing things together is called agitate. So we could say that word together as I stir it. Agitate, agitate, agitate it together. Okay. We know it's mixed when you don't see little particles in it. And I still see particles, so I'm going to keep mixing. Mix it, stir it, agitate. That's the way. Stir it, mix it, agitate. That's the way. And I'm looking, and I don't see very many little particles anymore. So I'm going to put one spoonful in. And then I'm going to put one more spoonful in and see what happens. So when you make slime, it's one of those things where you kind of have to stir it and you mix it together and it starts to change, but you kind of have to stir it and mix it some more, and then you might add a little borax if it's not doing quite the things you want it to do. So I'm going to stir it. It looks like it's still pretty liquid to me. So I'm gonna stir some more of the borax, and I'm going to put 2 more tablespoons in. 1, 2. Okay. I'm going to keep stirring it. I'm noticing it's kind of getting sticky, so I'm going to keep on stirring it. This would be a good time to get your magnifying glasses out and look at it. What do you notice? I'm going to get a little closer so you guys can see this. What do you notice when I'm stirring it together? Whoa. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Let's look. I think that we did a good job at mixing it together. So I think it is slime now. I'm going to maybe mix a little bit with my hands here. Oh. Kind of. So it's still a little bit sticky. I'm mixing it with my hands. It's still a little bit sticky, which is telling me that maybe it needs a little bit more borax. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Put a little bit more borax in. Use 1 more tablespoon. I'm gonna use my hands to mix the rest of it. So I'm gonna put that over here. And this would be a time to be thinking about whether it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. What do you notice with your magnifying glass? Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? That's right, it's a solid. And the reason it became a solid is because when we add borax to the water and the glue, it makes the water and the glue stick together. So borax does that. It makes these 2 ingredients stick together to become a solid. Check it out. Let's look at our question. Let's see if we answered our question. So we made slime. We put all these ingredients together, and our question was, how do you make slime? So we put glue and water and baking soda and shaving cream and borax together, and that's how we made slime. And let's think, was it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? What is it? That's right. It was a solid. We put ingredients that were liquids and solids together, but it made this become a solid. That's right. That's because borax made the water and the glue stick together to become a solid. That's pretty cool, huh? Well, this was the end of Science with Teacher Vera. I will see you guys again next week. Bye!